Okay, so let's review windows and inset and booleans in this one, okay? So let's just come in here, press period. I'm zoomed in here, okay? So you guys know obviously the inset method, which is great, okay, to make windows. I think that's one of the first things we learned here, like this. There's the inset, okay? There's also I believe. You press I, and then you push in. There you go, right? And now you can control the amount in here. Okay, 0.2. There it is. So now I remember, right? Okay. So I've got this. This is a nice picture-looking window. And the other thing you could do is now decide you want to extrude in, out, and so on, right? So let's say this is a picture window, right? I don't think your frame's ever going to be that thick, but hey, it can. So if I come in here, shift left click, shift left click, and press E for extrude, and I can bring that out. Okay, there. That's kind of cool. Another thing I want to do for you guys, for Windows guys, check this out. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this face and I'm going to separate. This is the kind of good thing to do. Can you guys check this out for a second? For Windows, some of you have this already. We inset in here. Okay. And then I'm just extruding. I'm going to show you something really cool about this, okay? E for extrude, like that. But what I want to do is take out that plane that's in the middle here. Like, look at this face. If I take this face and separate it, technically that's my glass. Do you guys agree? So watch. Are there any options here to separate? Oh, look, P. Separate by selection. So now you got to be smart about it, right? Like you got to tab out. Come back and select it. There it is. It's selected. You guys see that? That piece is selected, right? And where is it? It's here. So I'm not going to call it cube 10. I'm just going to say glass 01, whatever, right? Cool? Okay. So what I'll do is I'll make a new material here for a second. I'm just going to make a blue just for fun, okay? And I'm going to call this M5 underscore whatever glass for now. Okay, we know this. And what is it? Is it white? Nope. I'm going to go with light blue. Okay. Okay, somewhere here. All right, there. All right, cool. And what I want to do is assign it, right? So tab, here it is, and just assign. Okay, assign this one, and then assign. Okay, tab out. Okay, the other thing I'm going to do now is I'm gonna extrude the frame inside the frame to make a. If you guys look at the school windows here, there's a frame as a big frame, and there's a frame that's holding the glass. You guys see that? Okay, mullions and so on. Okay, so now I'm going to tab out that. Come back here. Tab in. I'm going to go to this face. Now, look, if I come in here with just Alt, click in between the crack, look at that. All of that is selected. Isn't that cool? Okay. Now I'm going to create an extrude for you guys. Look, but I'm not going to extrude from here. I'm going to come over here, extrude, right? Look. See, now I have a different extrude. Isn't that interesting? Right? From the inside, right? So if I made that, and then, sorry, I should have done that first, and then this one. Do you see how there's a way to think about this, right? There's a logic, right? If this was there and so on, whatever, I don't know. You guys, so, oh my God, that looks good, eh? Look. So watch this. I'm just going to come in here now. I'm going to take these pieces here. Let me get out of extrude for a moment and just come in here like this. Is it Alt? Yep. There you go. I don't think that worked, but let's just go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, shift, spin around, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, wrong one. Any here? Oh, okay. Everybody's jumping at me here. 8. So this is actually, ooh, I lost everything, so I'm just going to press Command Z. Here we go. And then we got, I think that's everything, right? Okay, so now I can add a new material and just call it a frame, okay? So look. I can go like this, and this time I'm going to say new, and it's going to go material whatever here. I think it's 5. Okay, I'm just going to say frame, okay? For example. And what I'm going to do now is, maybe I'll decide to make this a dark blue, okay? So look, here's my dark blue. I like to stand when I'm demoing, but hey, it doesn't matter. Assign. Hello? Now look how cool that is. Do you guys see that? It's just from inset, extrude, okay, and then just do the frame separately. So now if this is going to twin motion, I'm assuming the glass is its own material, the frame is its own material, so is the outside picture frame. How cool is that? Okay, so there's another method. I'm just going to show you quickly. So this is the Boolean part. Okay, check this out, everybody, please. You haven't seen this part before. Okay, so let's say I want to put a window on this wall here, just for now, right? The box is already there, right? See down here, this plus thing? Yeah, come on in. Yeah, see whoever you want to talk to. But you see here, this plus thing? If I hover, it makes this surface. Hi! Oh yeah, it's safety day, isn't it? Ooh yeah, health and safety, everybody. Got to give respect there. Look, see what I did here? So I made a box, and I'm just going to go like this. See? Okay? Look, the next thing I'm going to do is penetrate through the material. That's the way you do Booleans. If it doesn't go through the material, there's no way the Boolean operation is going to work, right? So let's check it out. Let's select this base here. And then at the wrench modifier, Boolean. I love that word. And then what do you want a Boolean value? We go to the eyedropper. Go to the eyedropper. What do you want to drop? This one, but you know, right here. Click. And then I want to create difference. Sometimes I have to hit apply. Let's see if it worked. Please work, please work, please work. Yeah, woohoo! See that? That's nice, right? So you have an opening now, right? And then what you could do is now bring this window piece back and then resize it, do the detailing and so on. So that's another way you guys can work. Okay, what do you guys think? Yes? Talk to me. Yeah, no, it's perfectly fine, dude. Look. Absolutely. Look, I can come in here now. Look, let me tab out. Yeah. No, it's all good. Look, I can come in here, as you know, tab. Control R, by the way, is the hotkey for the tool you're talking about, right? See, left click, you can come in here, like that, click. If I press Control R again, boom. Left click, slide. Do the slide. Boom. And then you can also come over here and just go up here. Yeah, okay. So you see how many cuts there is? There's a lot of cuts here now, right? See that? That's another method, correct? In this situation, guys, so for example, let's say the window starts up there. Get out of this tool. So now go to tab, go to face, which is number, I said edit, 3. Click in here. So I know some of you will do this, right? You'll go delete, right? Press delete, face, see ya. Okay, but look how it's a paper thin, right? Right? This is paper thin. What are you going to do with that? Right? So now what you got to do is do more cuts. Look, we're in cut city here. Okay, so what you guys watch, I'm going to bring in a cut as well. So there's so many ways to do the same thing, guys. There's no one perfect method in my opinion. Okay, so I've come in here. I'm going to make another cut here. So I want this frame to be somewhat proportional. Okay, look. So now I finished my cuts. I'm going to go to face again, 3. Go in here, 1, shift. Sorry, I forgot you, buddy. Right here, ding, ding, like that. And then now press E for extrude. Okay? There's my frame. Right? So, but because this cube that we used was here somewhere, we used it as a Boolean, you can take that face and separate it by pressing P and then change the material to be glass, pop it in there. Right? There's so many ways to the end, okay? So I'll leave it at that and you guys take a look at it. Thank you.